all right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to bring in 2023 with a huge bang. This is the brand new Cash Cow Flyer. The brand new Cash Cow Flyer postcard. This is a large postcard, 6x9, or you can get it 5x7, which is pretty large as well. Okay, look at this. Are you still struggling to make money? Okay, this is the easiest money I ever made. Simply by mailing this postcard. You can earn $500, $1,000, $1,500, and $3,000 cash payment with this postcard, people. If you notice, I have a QR code right here. All they have to do is scan this UR code, and it's going to take them to the cashcowprogram.com website, where they can pick any flyer or postcard they want to make some mailbox cash money, along with 5 books of stamps. This is amazing. This is one of the hottest new programs out there. Here's the back of the postcard. Okay, tired of MLM? Look, mailing this postcard works. Right here, you can pick your pack. Right here, there's the $1,000 Mega Monster Pack. Okay, you're gonna get 1,000 buyer leads. 1,000 buyer leads, $1,000 in the voucher for grocery coupon, 1,000 Martin vouchers for fast food restaurant coupon, a 3-day, 2-night trip, the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. All right, along with 5 books of stamps. When someone gets started with you, these are the packs, the $1,000, $2,000, and $3,000 pack for them to start. Now with the $1,000, there's a $200 admin fee. For the $2,000, there's a $350 admin fee. For the $3,000, there's a $450 admin fee. All that gets sent to whoever name is in this box. Okay? You're gonna send a $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000 in cash or U.S. postal money orders. Okay? No checks. Cash or U.S. postal money orders to the person in here. Your name will go in this box. You get to keep all of the money. But what you do is you send in the admin fee. You send in the admin fee of $200, $350, or $400. People, it is so simple, so easy. Just one sale can make your money back. And then you do it all over again, right here, www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com, or simply just scan that UR code, people, and you're back into making some serious money with the Cash Cow postcard. The Cash Cow postcard, people. Look out for it. You can be getting this in the mail. You get this exact same postcard, and it's gonna help you. You're gonna get the postcard, or you can get the flyer. All right, you can give me a call, 832-241-2366. That's 832-241-2366. And you're there. Here's the number again, 832-338-5622 or 832-338-5622. Go to www.cashcowprogram.com. Look and see what flyer there best fits your budget for you to get started and making some mailbox cash money. And again, each time someone gets started, it helps support our prison industry. Hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. This Rick Reed here with the Cash Cow Flyer Postcard, waiting for you to help you make some serious money. You get paid daily with this particular opportunity, okay? It's no phone calls to make, no MLM, okay? You don't have to have a computer. We got you covered with this wonderful postcard, okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. 2023 is one day away. Let us help you make some good mailbox cash money.